What you got there now, Jaggy?
I think
Watch out!
it's a squid, isn't it? Stingray and a...
Oh my goodness! That must be the smallest ray I've ever seen. And a nice pouting.
stingray.
A stingray? These thorns, look. Thornback ray.
Here we have a nice thornback ray caught by Jerry. So I'm just helping it in now, just in case it gets off. And jump in there after it. What a nice fish. All the fish caught today were on ragworm and squid. This last ray was caught just on squid.
Oh, look at that pouting, Jacob! Look at that pouting! That's
So
a
Jerry's just caught a
pouting.
lovely pouting. This is one of the biggest pouting
that's a
I've seen
beauty.
for a lot of years. Nice fish.
Biggest one I've seen lately. Isn't it? Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
This was a very unlucky eel. Just caught in the tail. Very lucky to get him in.
Got it by the tail.
So today the dogfish were out there. We must have caught 15 dogfish. All good size.
The lovely pouting.
I bet it was pouting, isn't it? Yeah.
Look at that. Beautiful little pouting.
Multiplier rod and reel, whole squid out there, hoping for a ray, as far as I can.
Yeah, another doggy.
That's quite tiny.
Must be a big dogfish. Bass? Ah, him banging. I'll tell you what, I reckon that's a ray. Dogfish.
Wait, come off. Then count.
Yeah, come off, they don't count.
Come right at you. Damn it. That's a tiny one.
Oh, small.
Rigs used today on the multiplier rod with the whole squid out there for a ray was
Alright,
a
stop.
pennel pulley rig. As Jacob's reeling in here, he is
Yeah,
using
lovely smoothhound. I
a
think it might
free
not
hook
got a
flapper
one.
rig,
There you go. Dogfish this time.
and on the other rod we had a 2-hook flapper rig,
I do.
slightly longer snoods in the hope for a bass. But if you want to know more about the rigs, just comment below. So what an amazing day we had here today. Like I say, using ragworm and squid and 7 different species. It's a lovely little smoothhound here. Yeah, so what a great day. Lots of fish, sunny. What more can you want?
Quite a way up there, isn't it?
Please check our channel out, and if you like this, hit the bell button. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please leave a comment below and we will do our best to answer any questions. Thanks Mark and Lee. To the wild.